the last video, I explored the horse intelligence or the horse talent. Once again, the horse talent refers to the ability of relating well with other people. This ability involves social interaction, listening, sharing, building relationships, giving and receiving love. The horse talent people are enthusiastic. They are fully alert to the environment and are drawn to actively participate in the drama that is going on. They are usually friendly and adventurous. They are passionate about success and self-actualization. They understand what drives them and they put that awareness to work, which helps them to achieve their goals faster and further. Now, on this video, my purpose is to explore with you another talent or intelligence. This talent is called the Parrot talent or the Parrot intelligence. Do you know parrots? Parrots are songbirds which have been kept as cage birds since ancient times, and they have always been popular because they are amusing, intelligent, and often affectionate. Parrot is exceptionally gifted with the ability to learn to pronounce human words. Parrot can learn up to 100 words along with their sounds. Parrot can mimic human communication very easily. Parrots are vocal learners, meaning they grasp sounds by hearing and then imitating them. Pet parrots have all the essential conditions for picking up language, time, inspiration, and mental ability. So, parrot talent refers to your ability to effectively use words and ability to learn languages very well. In the book of Prophet Isaiah chapter 50 verse 4, the prophet said, "The sovereign Lord has given me a well-instructed tongue to know the word that sustains the weary. He wakens me morning by morning, wakens my ear to listen like one being instructed." Now, if you are familiar with the book of Isaiah, you will agree with me that the prophet had parrot talent or parrot intelligence. Now, according to the psychologist Howard Gardner, the parrot people are strong in linguistic-verbal intelligence. They are able to use words well, both when writing and speaking. These individuals are typically very good at writing stories, memorizing information, and reading. They remember written and spoken information. They enjoy reading and writing. They debate or give persuasive speeches. They are able to explain things well. They use humor when telling stories. Linguistic thinking is universal by nature and is present in all of us in varying degrees, as we all use it as a major means of communication. The linguistic ability deals with how effectively you are able to use language to express yourself. It also deals with your sensitivity to the meanings of words, sounds, rhythms, and different uses of language. If the parrot talent is close to the top of your list in your gift sequence, words are important to you. This is expressed in different ways, such as being articulate or having the ability to think in words and use words effectively when you speak or write. A dominant linguistic ability means that you primarily build memory through words, spoken, written, expressed, or read. You will have a natural learning towards the domains that make up language, its structure, and use. I have three important examples of parrot talents. The first one is called William Shakespeare. People who have interest in literature are familiar with this personality. William Shakespeare was an English playwright, poet, and actor, widely regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and the world's greatest dramatist. He is often called England's national poet and the bard of Avon. His extant works, including collaborations consisting of some 39 plays, 154 sonnets, 2 long narrative poems, and a few other verses, some of uncertain authorship, His plays have been translated into every major living language and are performed more often than those of any playwright. They also continue to be studied and reinterpreted. The second example of Parrot talent is Wole Soyinka, Professor Wole Soyinka. Wole Soyinka is best known as a playwright. Alongside his literary career, he has also worked as an actor and in theaters in Nigeria and Great Britain. His works also include poetry, novels, and essays. Wole Soyinka writes in English, but his works are rooted in his native Nigeria and the Yoruba culture. With its legends, tales, and traditions, his writing also includes influences from Western traditions, from classical tragedies to modernist drama. Now, the third example of Parrot talent is Mike Abayomi Bamiloye. Now, this man is a Nigerian film actor, dramatist, producer, and director. He is a drama evangelist, founder and president of Mount Zion Faith Ministries. My friend, does the Parrot talent resonate with you? If your response is yes, then I congratulate you, because you will soon become a celebrity once you develop this talent and you effectively deploy it in meeting other people's needs. Once again, people with the Parrot talent can do very well as writer, journalist, lawyer, teacher, editor, speechwriter, poet, novelist, politician, copywriter, speech/language therapist, scriptwriter, educator, and so on and so forth. Remember to touch the subscribe and bell buttons down below so you may receive notification once I upload my new video. Remain blessed in Jesus' name.